Hi folks, sometimes when you go down to the garage to your car and the car does not open and does not do anything, it's completely dead, you are in panic. The battery can be died because it's getting cold and it's getting older, or in my case, because I'm not using this car very often, even it's supposed to once a week or at least once a month. But in the last few months I had no chance because I was not in Hungary. So in that time, the people just be in panic, but don't do that. This is what I'm going to explain in this video, what you have to do when you have a dead battery in your LS600HL. As I mentioned, don't be in panic, because I know everybody wants to be in the car, open the door, because you want to open the hood and check the battery or put a jump starter on it. But in this case, the battery is in the back, in the trunk, on the left side of the trunk. And of course, the battery, the small battery, operating with lights, the locker system, and starting the engine in this case. If you want to be in the car anyway, you just have to take your safe key from the key, put it on the little hole underneath over here, this little chrome plastic chrome cover, and then remove it, and then you can open the door, so no problem. But the small battery, as I mentioned, it's in the trunk. So here I am upstairs to get some more lights, and don't worry if your car doesn't start because the battery is located on the left side in your trunk. With the spare key over here, you can open it. Now it's opening itself because my battery is not dead anymore. And on the left side you will find the small battery. The small battery functions to open the car, also give lights and start the engine. That's all. It's located over here with this cover. Once you take it off, you can put your jump starter on, first the positive, then the negative side, and then start the car. First you have to remove the negative side and then the positive side, of course. This TOPDON jump starter is not just a jump starter and the battery bank, it's also a battery tester. So in that case you just have to plug the clips, positive sides and the negative sides. Jump starter is actually communicating via Bluetooth on your phone, and on the application you can start the test, and then you will figure it out your battery is old and needs to be replaced, or just has been out of the power, so you just have to recharge. In this case we just select the battery test. It's a regular loaded EN and 100 ampere hour capacity battery. So then we go on next, and we will see the results in seconds. Every detail we can see on the screen right now. The battery standard EN, battery rating 100 ampere hours, state of health is 100%, state of charge is 61%, so we need to go with the car to more charge for the battery. And basically everything is good, so doesn't need to be replaced the battery. Just go with it and charge it. I'm really happy I have this little item packed in a nice hard case like this over here in my trunk, and if I'm in trouble with my battery, it can help me and I can go forward. Or also if I see someone on the road, next to the road, and having problems like this, I can help them, or at least I can test their batteries, so we will see what the problem is, why they are not moving. It's a pleasure to me to help anyone on the road who needs help. So absolutely don't have to be in panic when you have a dead battery in the LS600H even. This is a very complicated technology. It's so simple, especially if you have this little jump starter from TOPDON. I really hope I can give you some little extra information with this video. If you like it, push a like button. If you have any experience about dead battery with LS or any other car, use the comment section. Follow us also, subscribe to our channel, and have a nice day. Bye.